Hey, just wanted to shoot a real quick video this morning letting you know about the free item weekend. And don't just waste your purchase. Check these out. All right, as mentioned, free gift weekend, and I mostly on Inside Track, but for anybody, you can get these free gifts with $34.99. So you may want to watch the rest of the video. Just a few items I think you might want to pick up instead of just a dollar pencil or 79-cent cutter. Tire gauge, pencil tire gauge. Look, for $1, you can throw one of these in the glove box or give one to your family. Just $1, and it's very useful. $2 for thread lock. Well, that's 33% off, but for $2, you can at least get a useful item. You know you'll use it. So add this to your arsenal. 18-inch telescoping magnetic pickup tool. I don't know about you, but I've got 3 or 4 of these, and I like being able to just reach and grab one when I need it. This one is more like the pencil size. It's got a 1¼ pound capacity. Hey, it's $2, 50% off. You're going to get the free item anyway. Why not pick up the tool? Assorted length elastic stretch cords, or as I call them, bungees. This is a 6-piece set, 50% off. You know you'll use them. These things deteriorate when they dry out. Grab you a pack. You're going in anyway. You're probably going to go 3 times this weekend. Pick you up another pack. Sharpening stone. When's the last time you actually sharpened that pocket knife? There's really no reason not to use a stone instead of just those little scratch blocks. Some people prefer those scratch blocks with the metal. I prefer an old-fashioned sharpening stone. For $2, pick it up. Heat shrink tubing assortment case. If you do any type of wiring or putting wires back together or reinforcing cords, you use these all the time. If nothing else, for $3, you get a nice case you can put screws in. Why not pick this up as well? How about a lid for some of those buckets? It's only $2.99. You can pick up these lids. Then for all these 15 buckets you got around, if you're storing different things in, you can actually seal them off. Very good use of $2.99 and pick up your free item while you're in the store. Also, a reminder, today is deal 8, and that is Friday, July 24th. 30% off all the pressure washers and pressure washer accessories. So if you've been putting that project off because of the cost of the unit you want, this might be the day. And just a reminder again, for everyone, it's $34.99 purchase. You get one of these free items. But for Inside Track Club members, hey, I don't know about you, but those little ratchet straps are extremely handy. I cut them to use, and I give them to people if they are at work and need something. Very handy, and it's free. So why not pick it up? I know that was quick. I just wanted to make sure that you were aware. Unless you're under a rock, you probably were. But just to spark some ideas, why don't you pick up some useful items instead of just a pencil? Please like and subscribe. Until the next video, y'all take care.